How to create a Snapchat custom story. To create a Snapchat custom story, first of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application on your device. Once you open it, you simply have to tap on your Bitmoji or the avatar icon on the top left corner. From here, scroll down and select your custom story type. My Stories section. Once you find it, you simply have to now go ahead and then select the private story or My Story option. Once you select any of these options, you have to tap on this Add Snap option within the Add Story panel. You can use your camera to record a video or even take a photo or simply upload it from your memories. Once you do this, all you have to do is now go ahead and then tap My Story once again on the bottom right corner, and there you go. This is how you can create a Snapchat custom story. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.